Ever wondered what to do in Bangkok? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Bangkok, the heart of Thailand, a city that never sleeps. Bursting with history, culture, and a vibrant nightlife, Bangkok offers a unique blend of traditional charm and modern hustle. From ancient temples to bustling markets, gourmet street food to sophisticated rooftop dining, this city is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So, without further ado, here are the top 10 things to do in Bangkok. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Grand Palace. This regal marvel, steeped in tradition, has stood as the heart of Bangkok since the late 18th century. With its stunning architecture and rich history, the Grand Palace is a must-visit. At number 9, we have cruising the Chao Phraya River. Imagine gliding along the waterway, the cityscape unfolding before you. It's a unique perspective, offering a different taste of Bangkok's charm. A river cruise is a refreshing way to see the city. Coming in at number 8 is the iconic Wat Arun. This architectural marvel, steeped in history, captivates with its unique Khmer-style spires that reach towards the heavens. Its majesty is a testament to Thailand's rich cultural heritage. A visit to Bangkok isn't complete without a trip to Wat Arun. At number 7, we suggest shopping at Chatuchak Weekend Market. This bustling bazaar is a treasure trove, offering everything from vintage finds to tantalizing street food. The energetic atmosphere is infectious, making every purchase a memorable experience. For shopaholics, Chatuchak Market is paradise. Number 6 on our list is the famous Khao San Road, a vibrant kaleidoscope of sights, sounds and scents where every corner teems with bustling nightlife and an eclectic mix of street food. For a taste of Bangkok's nightlife, Khao San Road is the place to be. Now we're entering the top 5. These are the absolute must-dos in Bangkok. Kicking off our top 5 is a gastronomic adventure. Sampling street food in Bangkok is a feast for the senses. There's an incredible variety of mouth-watering options. From spicy som tam to succulent satay, the city's streets are your culinary playground. Each stall has its own specialty, and every bite is a taste of Thai culture. Coming in at number 4, we have Lumpini Park. It's a sanctuary of tranquility amidst the bustling city. Whether you fancy a leisurely stroll under the shade of towering trees, a paddle boat ride on the serene lake, or an invigorating Tai Chi session at dawn, Lumpini Park has something for everyone. It's the perfect place to relax and recharge. Next up at number 3, we have the vibrant Chinatown. This bustling district is a cultural melting pot, a tantalizing blend of old and new. Here, you'll find a maze of shops, selling everything from traditional Chinese medicine to gold jewelry. And of course, there's the food. With its street-side cuisine and neon-lit restaurants, Chinatown is a foodie's paradise. At number 2, we have the stunning Wat Phra Kaew. This sacred temple is a testament to the spiritual devotion and artistic heritage of the Thai people. Its intricate architecture and shimmering golden spires are a sight to behold. But it's not just about the aesthetics. Wat Phra Kaew is also home to the revered Emerald Buddha, making it a deeply spiritual place for locals and visitors alike. And finally, the number 1 must-do in Bangkok is taking a Thai cooking class. Why just eat the food when you can learn to make it? These classes offer a unique and enriching experience. You'll get to explore local markets, learn about Thai herbs and spices, and of course, cook up a storm. It's a fun, hands-on way to dive into Thai culture. And there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Bangkok. Each of these activities offers a unique glimpse into the heart of this vibrant city. So, are you ready to explore Bangkok? From the grandeur of the Grand Palace to the vibrant energy of Khao San Road, we've journeyed through a city that truly never sleeps. And let's not forget the serene Chao Phraya River, the awe-inspiring Wat Arun, or the bustling Chatuchak Weekend Market. 10 remarkable destinations, each offering unique experiences. So pack your bags, embrace the adventure, and dive into the cultural kaleidoscope that is Bangkok. Remember, this is just a taste of what Bangkok has to offer. Safe travels and enjoy your adventure.